Hi, this is Georgopoulos from EGA Mono Hi-Fi HD Greek audio, and today we are talking Microsoft and Windows 11 25H2 free Windows 11. I can't get it to work on Microsoft over the internet. It doesn't work. Why don't you put it on flash USB drive and we pay $20-30 and get it to be done? I have evidence. I have spent days. I have spent hours. I have done all you told me to put a USB over 10 gigabytes storage memory to install Windows 11 25H2, and it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I have spent days and hours all of my life. Don't bullshit us. We don't hate you, Microsoft, but your software is rubbish. It doesn't work over the internet. Put it on a flash drive, make sure it works, and we'll give you the $20-30. We don't want it for free. That's it for this video. Thank you very much. This is Georgopoulos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.